So my parents are from the 1960s generation, and essentially they were, first exposed to psychedelics, so that was part of my upbringing and education. So I was mainly interested in the consciousness-changing aspects of psychedelics and whether those could be harnessed towards potential mental health treatments.
I was diagnosed with cancer in summer of 21, and obviously that took a toll on my mental health, and so I had a very, very significant battle with depression, starting with my cancer treatment. I had been on the standard SSRIs and things like that for ever since 2002. And then they kind of stopped being as effective after my cancer diagnosis. I was looking for non-pharmaceutical options. I'm hoping in the future that there would be other possibilities for patients like myself with medication-resistant depression. So I'm hoping that perhaps psychedelics could be used therapeutically.
A lot of antidepressant treatments are a one pill a day type, and the first-line therapy are the serotonin selective reuptake inhibitors. And these work on the serotonin system, but again, these usually take weeks to months to work. Psychedelics are fairly unique in that they directly interact with the receptor, activate the neurons, and more importantly, they cause a neuroplasticity change of the neurons, and only 1 or 2 time use within a clinical setting changes their lives for months. Psychedelics are likely acting differently at the receptors, and that's what we study. So we look at different signaling pathways that result from the receptor, how it changes neuronal function, and more importantly, we're interested in other substances that might mitigate the hijacking per se of the consciousness.
With every disease, there's a potential for treatment. And we don't know where that treatment is going to come from. We don't know if it's going to be from a plant, from a bacteria. We don't know if it's going to be some brilliant synthetic chemist's next concoction. But whatever it is, we still need to pursue it.
The NRC is a major driver of the community here at MCW between us neuroscientists. By focusing on basic science mechanisms and innovation, allows new treatments to be proposed to be used clinically. And psychedelics are a great example of that.